put those on. It's like, as I say, it's like a wristband. It's like a paper wristband that you put on, and you show that when you get on the shuttle bus when you get to Stonehenge. So we're going to go over the river in a moment. It's the Chiswick Bridge up ahead of us. The mighty River Thames, guys. It's the longest river in England, the River Thames. It's 250 miles long from its source, which is in South Gloucestershire, up on the Cotswolds. We're going to go past it, actually. We're going to go past, it's a place called Thames Head. That's where the river begins. We won't see the river, but it's out in the bushes a little bit, out in the woods. But that's where it begins. There's a pub there called the Thames Head, so we're going to go past that. And eventually the river, runs into the North Sea, into eastern London. This is it here. See the stick with the stripy top? That's the finishing line for the Oxford and Cambridge boat race, which happens every April. You've seen, the two universities competing on it. A nice mist on the river there. Look, you can tell that the temperatures are lower. And it's kind of half tide, I think. Not completely empty, not full. It's about halfway between. It is a tidal river for about 90 miles from the sea up to a place called Teddington, which is